Costa Rica is a beautiful country. It's a small country, and for this reason, it often has that small town kind of vibe. But for such a small area of land, Costa Rica packs a big punch. They are big waves, big volcanoes, big crocodiles, and huge trees. There are also a lot of big hearts, big smiles, and of course, a big pile of slang terms. So let's begin with some of the most commons. El brete. Brete is a Costa Rican word for trabajar or work that is used a lot. And though the word isn't inherently negative, you don't frequently hear people say it with a positive emotional inflection. You could say, ¿Qué mae? ¿A dónde vas? Hey man, where are you headed? The answer would be, Me voy al brete. I'm going to work. Brete is brete. Work is work. Another word would be Naco or Naca. Translated, Naco means plucked chewing tobacco, like the black braided hunks of tobacco cowboys and baseball players used to chew on the old days. But this usage has nothing to do with chewing tobacco and everything to do with social disgrace. In Costa Rica and Mexico, Naco or Naca is used to describe people of humble origins as well as people who frequently commit social faux pas. For example, the statement would be, Mae, qué carro más naco, meaning, dude, what a piece of crap car. Another statement would be, Vea, ese lugar solo tiene la ropa naca, meaning, check it out, this place only has clothes uncultured people would wear. Another statement would be, no sea tan naco, meaning, don't be so crude. Another one is, la uña. I love the phrase that this term comes from, carne y uña. It's American English equivalent to two pits in a pod. Carne y uña literally means flesh and nail, so the idiom is a metaphor for closeness. Men can refer to their wife or girlfriend when speaking to another as la uña, a very slang Naco way of saying my other half or my woman. For example, you could ask, ¿Qué haces más tarde? What are you doing later? And the answer would be, Estoy pasando el día con la uña. I'm spending the day with my woman. Another word would be chepe. Chepe is a common Hispanic nickname for Jose. So naturally, San Jose, Costa Rica's capital city is nicknamed Chepe. It still makes me laugh every time I hear the town with the 60s styles blocky, Russian-looking buildings affectionately referred to as Chepe. Vamos pa'l Chepe! Let's go to San Jose. Another word is chinga or chingo. In Mexico and Puerto Rico, this word is slightly more nefarious, fornicate, but in Costa Rica, it is much more innocent and it means naked. Oye, ¿por qué andas chinga? Hey, what are you running around naked? Another word is chuzo. This is a tico word that you will see on billboards selling car or clothing because it basically means stylish and cool roll into one. For example, you could say, Mae, qué chuzo de carro. Basically the opposite of naco in this usage, meaning, man, what a sweet ride. Another word would be el chante. Chante is a Costa Ricanism for casa, house. El chante, along with la choza, the hut, are frequently interchanged with casa and hogar, home. For example, you could ask, ¿Dónde vas después del trabajo? Where are you going after work? And the answer would be, Me voy pa'l chante, mae. O, Me voy pa la choza, mae. I'm going home, man. Another word from Costa Rica is el chorizo. It's not sausage. Even though chorizo is a type of pork sausage, this is one of my favorite Costa Rican sayings and it is used similarly in Argentina as well. It means corruption. For example, you could say, Hay tanto chorizo en el gobierno. There's so much corruption in the government. Well, now you have learned the local speak for what's cool and what's not. You have learned how to refer to your home and your work. And plus, you have learned how to talk about corruption. With a bit of pronunciation practice, you will fit right in Tiquicia.